Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Basics and I am your online tutor Nikatunisa. So आज की हमारी वीडियो है A Cup of Coffee. Sorry to interrupt here but please excuse me, I'm not asking you for a cup of coffee but this is the beginning of our basic conversation session. तो हमारे जो basic conversations होते हैं, जो हम छोटे छोटे conversations करते हैं हम डे टू डे लाइफ में, तो उसकी हमने आज से स्टार्टिंग की है in which we would cover all sorts of basics and common conversation that we usually have. So let's begin with this one. And because I love coffee and I would like to start with something I am so attached to, so that's why I am starting with this topic, a cup of coffee. Get that? So here let's learn how to order coffee in local coffee shops in English like a native. तो हम लोकल जो कॉफ़ी शॉप्स होती हैं, जो हमारे आसपास कॉफ़ी शॉप्स में हम लोग जाते हैं काफ़ी टाइम गेट टुगेदर के लिए या किसी मीटिंग के लिए या किसी भी चीज़ के लिए, तो सबसे पहले जाके हम कॉफ़ी ऑर्डर कैसे करें, व्हाट आर द एटिकेट्स टू ऑर्डर द कॉफ़ी, व्हाट इज द लैंग्वेज दैट यू शुड यूज व्हेन यू ऑर्डर द कॉफ़ी. तो आज की वीडियो में हम इसको कवर करेंगे. अब यहाँ मैंने वर्ड यूज किया है एक लाइक आ नेटिव. तो सबसे पहले हम जान लेते हैं कि आखिर नेटिव कौन होता है. Have a look over the meaning of native. A person born in a specified place or associated with a place by birth, whether subsequently resident there or not. So basically native वो लोग होते हैं जो किसी जगह पे बर्थ होता है उनका, या तो उनका बेस होता है वो जगह, चाहे वो वहां रहते हो या नहीं. अब पूरी वीडियो से नेटिव का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू बिकॉज आई यूज दिस वर्ड एंड हेयर आई एम बिल्डिंग अप योर वोकैब. सो ये मीनिंग है, ये आप याद रखिए. इसी तरह से मैं अलग अलग कुछ मीनिंग्स जो हैं वो कन्वर्जेशंस में इस तरह से कुछ डाल दूंगी सो दैट आपका वोकैब जो है वो साथ में बिल्डअप हो जाए. So this was the meaning of native. Now have a look over the challenges. What challenges? When you enter a coffee shop, you have many challenges like lots of movement around, unable to understand what exactly is being asked, want to sound perfectly natural while ordering or responding to a question. तो जब भी हम किसी कॉफी शॉप में जाते हैं, अब ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप किस टाइम गए हो कॉफी शॉप में. इफ यू विल गो अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग तो वहां पे थोड़ा रश रहेगा क्योंकि ज्यादातर बहुत सारे लोग, आई विल नॉट से ज्यादातर बिकॉज टी लवर्स आर आल्सो वेरी मच, तो बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो प्रेफर करते हैं अ कप ऑफ कॉफी इन द मॉर्निंग. तो वो लोग जाते हैं. और अगर आप जाओगे आफ्टरनून में 2:30 और 3, तो ज्यादा उस टाइम कॉफी के लिए नहीं होती है इतनी क्राउड. तो सबसे ज्यादा आपको लगेगा जब आप एंटर करोगे बहुत मूवमेंट होता है चारों तरफ, लोग काफी रहते हैं, शोर काफी रहता है, और कभी कभी यू आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली बीन आस्क्ड, वहां पे पूछ क्या रहे हैं. आपको कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता कि हाउ टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस क्वेश्चन. And obviously when you are going somewhere and when you are talking to somebody, so you want to sound perfectly natural. तो जब भी आप किसी क्वेश्चन का रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हो या आप ऑर्डर कर रहे हो, सो यू रियली वांट टू साउंड नेचुरल व्हाइल टॉकिंग टू द पर्सन. So these are the challenges that everybody face while in a coffee shop. So looking over the challenges, we will be discussing from entering a coffee shop, what you hear, what is when you enter, what you want to say at the counter, and lastly when you leave. So these are the main points that we will be discussing in the video. सबसे पहले you took the entry in the coffee shop. आपने coffee shop में entry ली है तब का, और आप क्या सुनते हो जब आप एंटर करते हो, और आपको काउंटर पे क्या बोलना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस दैट आर आस्क्ड ऑन द काउंटर, एंड लास्टली व्हेन यू लीव द कॉफी शॉप और व्हेन यू लीव द काउंटर, व्हाट वुड यू से. So whenever we enter into any coffee shop and we go to the counter, the questions that we would hear will be, can I help you? What can I get you? What would you like? How can I help you? May I help you? So these are the common questions that are asked when you enter to the coffee shop and go to the counter to order your coffee. So you should know how to answer these questions, and I have given you the answers also. And please, you can, what you can do, if you exactly don't know, you can just mug up 1 2 sentences and you can say it there. It's very easy. और ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये आपसे इस टाइप के पूछे जाते हैं, तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो पूछे जाते हैं तो आप उनका जवाब किस तरह से देंगे ये भी मैंने अपने वीडियो में बताया है. बट बिफोर दैट आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स आल्सो. Okay, first of all, I would say that never ever say I want a coffee. Okay, if you go at the counter and the person asks you any question that what would you like to have, something like that, never say I want a coffee, because this seems a little bit rude. What you can say, you can see on your screens there are lists of the phrases that you can use at the coffee shops when you order. Always say, I like a coffee please. Could I have a latte please? Can I get a coffee please? I think I'll get a mocha latte please. I think, why? Because right now I'm looking at the menu and I'm just deciding it. I'm thinking and I'm just telling it. That's why. Or you can continue with the phrase I'll have, please may I have, I'd like, I'd love. But always remember that add please in the phrase, either in the beginning or at the end of the sentence that you say. Never say any sentence without please. Please is very necessary. It seems, even if you are talking very politely, but when you add please, it add, I mean, more politeness to your conversation. So please is necessary whenever you order coffee at the coffee shop. Again, important point, that be specific about your order. Be specific about your order here means that you should know what are you going to order. The name of the coffee, because there are immense type of coffees. You should know which coffee are you going to order. So you should also know about the coffee, name of the coffee, and what exactly the coffee is. And if you want, I can make a video on that, how many types of coffee and what exactly are those coffees. If you want, you may just tell me in the comment box and I will make it, no problem. So you should know the name of the coffee. And second, you should know the flavor. What flavor do you want? Because there are lots of flavors in coffee also. And size of the cup that you want to have, small or medium or large or double, whatever size the coffee shop is offering you. And type of milk here, because there are many flavored milk, also double toned milk or less fat milk or full fat milk. So you can order whatever you want to have. And shot of espresso, it is very important. Shot of espresso depends that what is the amount of caffeine in your coffee. So also it depends that what is the taste of your coffee, it's hard or not. So I remember that I was not knowing about this shot of espresso, and once I visited a coffee shop and there when asked, I just said double. And when I really get that, it was very bitter. I was not knowing about shot of espresso, so I just said double. I thought that it must be something I don't know. And I remember I have used extra packets of sugar to sweeten it. So you should be knowing about the shot of espresso, so I mentioned it here. तो आपको क्या क्या पता होना चाहिए? You should know the name, आपको नाम पता होना चाहिए, फ्लेवर पता होना चाहिए जिस फ्लेवर की आप कॉफी पीना चाहते हैं, साइज ऑफ द कप, आप साइज पता होना चाहिए कि आपको स्मॉल साइज चाहिए, मीडियम चाहिए, लार्ज चाहिए, और हाउ मच लार्ज डू यू नीड. सो यू शुड नो कि उस कॉफी शॉप में, पर्टिकुलर कॉफी शॉप जो है आपको कौन कौन से साइज ऑफर कर रही है. एंड टाइप ऑफ मिल्क मैंने आपको बताया, बिकॉज देर आर फ्लेवर्ड मिल्क होते हैं, इस वजह से हमें टाइप्स ऑफ मिल्क भी पता होना चाहिए. शॉट ऑफ एक्सप्रेसो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इसको आप अपने ध्यान में रखें कि. और कुछ लोग होते हैं जिसमें कैफेन आर नॉट अलाउड टू इनटेक, तो वो लोग ज्यादातर ध्यान रखें कि वो शॉट ऑफ एक्सप्रेसो जो है वो अपना लो ही रखवाएं तो ज्यादा बेटर है. So these were the specific details that you should be knowing before you order. Let's have a look over the question you'll get to hear. So at the counter, when you will order a coffee, after that what questions you can get to hear. So first one is, do you want anything else with that? Then you can reply, yeah, I think I would like to add a muffin. Or second question you can get, can I get you anything else? And you can reply to that, yes, I would like to add a piece of cake with that, please. And third one, would you like to add anything with your coffee? If you don't want, just say no, that's it. Thank you. Okay. So these are the questions probably you can hear at the after you order the coffee for the add-on orders. And after you finished your order, before receiving it, there are these questions as well. Is that for here or to go? That you want it here or you want to take it with you? And if it is for here, you could say yes, it's for here. And you can also hear this question, would you like to have it here or take away? And if you are taking it away, then no, I would like you to pack it, please. Sorry, I forgot to add please here. So these are the questions after your order is completed. Before receiving it, you will hear these types of questions and you should know that what you are gonna say to this. So questions after ending up the order. After everything is finished and it's time for the payment, now the person would ask you your name and how would you like to pay. Then if you are paying with the cash, just say I would like to pay on the cash, or just take out your card and swipe it or give it to the person that I would pay with the card. So now it's time to leave the counter. ओके, एंड में आपसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे, आपका नाम पूछा जाएगा और आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि आप किस तरह से पेमेंट करना चाहते हैं. अगर आप पेमेंट कैश से करना चाहते हैं तो आप बोले आई वुड लाइक टू पे विद द कैश, और अगर आप कार्ड से पेमेंट करना चाहते हैं तो सिंपली टेक आउट योर कार्ड और आप उनको दे दीजिए, या तो फिर अगर मशीन वही है तो आप उसको स्वाइप कर दीजिए. So that's it, and now it's time to leave the counter. Names में यहाँ इसलिए पूछा जाता है because the order takes few minutes to get ready. If you are taking in or whatever, it takes few minutes to get ready. And when the order get ready, the person could call out your name and you can go and receive your order. तो आपका नाम इसीलिए पूछा जाता है ताकि जब order ready हो जाए तो वो आपको देने के लिए आपको call out कर पाए, बुला पाए. So your name has been asked for that. So finally, your order is completed, everything is completed, your add-on orders is completed, your payment is completed, and now you are leaving the counter. So before leaving the counter, you have to say thank you and with a smile on your face. And the person would say thank you, ma'am. Have a great day or have a nice day. So what you have to do, you have to reply with you too or same to you. For their wishes, have a great day or a nice day. So you would just smile, give a smile and say thank you, and whatever the person will wish you from the counter, you can reply it you too or same to you. And if not, you yourself can say have a great day or have a nice day. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this conversation will help you whenever you go in a coffee shop. तो आई ट्राइड आउट कि मैं आपकी थोड़ी सी हेल्प कर पाऊँ. whenever you go for a coffee shop, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और किस क्वेश्चन का आपको किस तरह से रिप्लाई देना होता है. तो अगर आप ये जो फ्रेजेस मैंने इसमें मेंशन किए हैं इनको भी याद रखते हैं तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू गो एंड स्पीक इन अ फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश एंड आस्क and order your coffee for yourself, for your friends or anybody. So please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Please press that thumb icon and subscribe my channel. Also share with your friends. I'll be adding more conversation videos. मैं और conversation videos add करूँगी छोटे छोटे इस तरह से कि जिस तरह आप कहीं जा रहे हो या whatever the thing is, तो आप छोटी छोटी आज आपके डेली यूज में कन्वर्जेशंस होती हैं, उनको मैं इंग्लिश में आपको हेल्प करूंगी, उसके लिए मैं वीडियोस बनाऊंगी. So please subscribe and please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.